For over 2,000 years, one remarkable root has stood at the very center of traditional Asian medicine, particularly in regions like China, Korea, and Japan. It has earned the distinguished title, the root of vitality, a testament to its profound historical significance and widespread use across diverse cultures. This ancient botanical treasure has been revered for its multifaceted benefits, deeply embedded in the healing practices and philosophies of these civilizations for millennia. This extraordinary plant is Panax Ginseng, often referred to as Asian or Korean ginseng. Its name, Panax, is derived from the Greek word panacea, which literally means cure-all, reflecting its historical reputation as a universal remedy. Panax ginseng is recognized globally as one of the world's most powerful adaptogens, a unique class of natural substances that help the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. In this insightful episode, PhytoNexus delves deep into the science and tradition behind Panax ginseng. We will explore precisely how this remarkable adaptogen enhances both energy and resilience within the human body. Crucially, it achieves these effects not through artificial stimulation, but by fostering a profound sense of internal balance and harmony, allowing the body to optimize its natural functions. The profound secret behind ginseng's remarkable efficacy lies primarily in its unique active compounds, known as Ginsenosides. These are specialized triterpene saponins that exert a wide array of beneficial effects by influencing multiple complex body systems. Ginsenosides are classified into two main groups, protopanaxadiol and protopanaxatrial, with their concentrations varying depending on the specific type of ginseng and its growing environment. These powerful ginsenosides play a crucial role in enhancing cellular energy metabolism. They achieve this by improving the body's efficiency in oxygen utilization and by stimulating the production of adenosine triphosphate, or ADP, which is universally recognized as our body's primary cellular energy currency. This optimized energy production supports overall vitality and physical performance, helping cells function at their peak. What truly distinguishes ginseng and makes it profoundly unique among natural remedies is its remarkable biphasic effect. This means it possesses the extraordinary ability to both energize you when you are experiencing fatigue and, conversely, to calm and soothe you when you are feeling overactive or stressed. This dual action highlights its adaptogenic nature, allowing it to respond precisely to the body's specific needs at any given moment. Unlike many stimulants that can push your body beyond its natural limits, Panax ginseng operates differently. It doesn't force your body into an artificial state of heightened activity. Instead, it gently guides and supports your physiological systems to find their optimal state of balance and equilibrium. This adaptogenic quality helps the body maintain homeostasis, promoting overall well-being and resilience against various stressors. Ginseng's extensive benefits extend far beyond mere energy enhancement. Numerous studies have consistently shown its potential to significantly improve cognitive performance, including aspects like memory retention, attention span, and overall mental clarity. Furthermore, it has been demonstrated to enhance and support robust immune function, helping the body defend itself against various pathogens and maintain optimal health. Modern clinical research, employing rigorous scientific methodologies, has increasingly validated many of these traditional claims that have been associated with Panax ginseng for centuries. This scientific corroboration bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and contemporary understanding, providing evidence-based support for its therapeutic applications. The ongoing research continues to uncover new insights into its mechanisms of action. For instance, a comprehensive 2018 meta-analysis, which synthesized data from multiple independent trials, provided compelling evidence. This extensive review found that regular ginseng supplementation significantly reduced feelings of fatigue and notably improved physical performance across a diverse range of participants and study conditions. Such findings underscore its potential as a natural aid for enhancing endurance and combating exhaustion. In the rich tapestry of traditional Chinese medicine, ginseng holds a revered position, representing the very essence of qi, the vital life force or energy that flows through all living things. It is believed to replenish and balance this fundamental energy, promoting overall health and longevity. This ancient concept highlights ginseng's central role in maintaining the body's energetic harmony. Remarkably, modern biochemistry is now providing scientific confirmation for these ancient concepts. It reveals that the traditional understanding of qi reflects measurable physiological processes within the body, such as the intricate mechanisms of hormonal regulation and the delicate balance of neurochemicals. Ginseng's influence on the hypothalamus-pituitary-adrenal axis and neurotransmitter systems exemplifies this connection, demonstrating its impact on stress response and cognitive function. Thus, from its ancient roots deeply embedded in traditional healing practices to the cutting-edge discoveries of modern scientific research, Panax Ginseng continues to stand as a powerful and enduring bridge. It connects the innate human quest for vitality and well-being with the profound intelligence and healing power inherent in nature itself. This remarkable plant embodies a timeless synergy between tradition and innovation. This has been PhytoNexus, your trusted source for exploring the fascinating world of adaptogens and herbal science. We invite you to subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the natural compounds that enhance human health and resilience. Join our community to stay informed and discover the latest insights into botanical wellness and research into nature's most powerful remedies.